Hello everyone and welcome back. Today's video is going to be about retractable ratchet straps, and this company, Strappino, has reached out to me and asked if I would talk about their product with you, and I said absolutely. Tie downs is something we use on a regular basis, and I know most of you who watch the channel have lawnmowers and things that you're trailering as well. They sent me 6-foot straps, 10-foot straps, and they also sent these nice loop straps. And these are made to go around objects that doesn't have an accessible anchor point. So you can wrap this around pipe, 2x4s, anything you're hauling, and it will give you an access point in order to hook the strap up, hold it into your vehicle or onto your trailer without too much of a fight. So I think these are going to be really handy for most of us. Now the fact that you can keep things organized and not have this stuff laying all over the back of the truck or inside your vehicle. As a matter of fact, these things even fit in your glove box. Let's pull these guys out of here. I've already opened this one up. Now let me bring that up there and let you get a closer look at that. And again, this is heavy. We lift it up, put it in the top position there. We can extend that out to whatever we need. And then if you just click it back once, it stays there until you ratchet it tight. So we can already see the convenience in that. And pull it up to the top, and it'll retract right back into the spool here. Now these guys offer straps all the way up to 2 inches wide for heavy cargo. They also have hard mount transom savers for your boat. You know that would be a convenient thing to be able to have that mounted to your boat, and once you get trailered, not have to worry about digging straps back out of the back of the truck on a good afternoon fishing. That would be handy. Now these guys, any of us that is hauling material home from the lumber yard and things like that, I think this is a fantastic idea. You can wrap this around and either put it into a half hitch, and even if you was hauling pipe or something like that, or simply a couple of 2x4s, this gives you something to actually hook the strap to and be able to secure it into your vehicle. This would be really good for kayaks as well. Around the safety clip, and then you can secure it to anything you want to. That right there is a great idea, guys. Even on the mule here, there's various applications I could use this throughout the workload that we do here on the property, and I can really see an advantage of these guys. So these have a working load of 1,000 pounds and a braking strength of 3,000 pounds. Opened up. And rather than having all this just hanging free inside the vehicle or your strap box, that is nice to be able to roll that right back onto the spool and then have that ready to store. So again, keeping that in the glove box or small spaces takes up less room. That's perfect. We do have a rubber coated handle, and again the hooks are rubber coated as well with the safety catch on them. The rating for this one is the same as the 6-foot strap. So we are at 1,500 pounds of a braking strength here, or 500 pounds at a working load. And this is 10 feet long. So there we go, guys. Quick review. just to take a look and see what they have to offer. I'm going to do a video to where we actually get out and get to use this stuff. It's currently raining outside today, so I figured it was a great day to be in the garage and take a look at this stuff and see what we had in the box. So thank you, Kelly, for setting this up. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope some of this information helps you. The link's in the box below. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you on the next one.